Today we are eating at Home Saigon. We actually tried to come here the other day, but their air conditioning was out. But now we are here. So what we just ordered: Vietnamese fresh rolls, Home Saigon chicken curry, Home Saigon grilled chicken with coconut rice. We also got some coconut coffee. And yeah, it's gonna taste really good. So let's get into it. Good morning, everybody. It is 4 in the morning in Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. Today we are flying out to the north of Vietnam, Hanoi. Right now we keep on walking counter to counter and they keep telling us different places to go. It's like a needle in a haystack here. We're gonna find it. Oh, here it is. Yay! It's been a little chaotic.
We're having a lot of communication issues here. We've had to go to 3 different check-in gates because the workers kept telling us the wrong way to go. Which, you know, I guess we could read, but we tried reading and
that wasn't working.
I'm at the airport. You're killing me. All right, I love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Hey, bye.
Where are we going?
Hanoi. And I'm going on an hour and a half of sleep. I'm gonna say, come on. Come on.
Thank you.
I said, come on. Sometimes. Crap, I gotta pee again.
No, you don't.
Okay. You sure?
Oh, is this a bus?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hello.
Yeah, that will take. Yeah, that will be very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice. Walking the streets of Vietnam. So exciting.
I got my nails done. I also got my toes done, but it was $15. I'm used to paying a lot more than that. So I'm very happy.
Thank you. That's cool.
Yeah, like you can. Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
I'm content. I like it.
I did too. Cool. Alright, time to take a nap.